You think you know ancient Greece. Gods, heroes, art, architecture, philosophy, politics, and the birth of democracy. But what if the real story lies not just in all these, but in the forgotten objects left in the ground thousands of years ago? A pot emerges from the soil, its painted figures run, wrestle, argue, celebrate. Not only gods and heroes, but families, athletes, traders, and children. In Athens, voices rise on the rocky hill of the Pnyx. Citizens gather to debate and vote. Democracy is born here. But archaeology forces us to ask a harder question. Who was allowed to speak and who was not? Across the Greek world, cities take shape. Streets, temples, theatres and marketplaces carefully arranged to organize public life, often in lands far beyond Greece itself. What do they really tell us about ancient Greek migrations, about the nature of ancient Greek societies, and about the ways movement shaped Greek culture? And beyond the monuments, we meet the people who lived in this world. A Greek woman navigating family and ritual, a soldier standing shield to shield in the army to defend his city, a merchant facing the perilous sea as he sails across the Mediterranean, a girl growing up in Athens and Sparta. Travel further back and myth begins to blur with archaeology. The labyrinthine palace of Knossos, the fortified citadel of Mycenae, and the legendary world of Troy. In Archaeotracks Ancient Greek Sessions, pupils become archaeologists, reading pottery, exploring cities, questioning myths, and discovering how evidence reveals the past. Because the greatest discovery about ancient Greek is this: the more we excavate, the more the myths give away to real people, real lives, and real history.